I'm Polly Beth, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Sometimes I just don't know what to say. When an upset kid comes to me with a problem, I don't always have the answers. How can I help when I don't know what to say or do? This is a tough one, and I've experienced this, and I still practice this. You know why? Because we're helpers. And when helpers hear problems or people are upset, sometimes we don't even listen to what they're saying fully because we're reaching into our bag of tricks to figure out, how am I going to solve this? Like, don't you do that? I do it all the time. It's like, okay, what am I going to say? How am I going to answer this? How am I going to solve the problem? How am I going to make this kid's world better? We've got to stop doing that all the time. I have learned the power of actually just listening. Listening is validating. And here's what's happened in my practice of doing this more, is the upset child sometimes solves their own problem just because they had a chance to talk about it more without me interrupting, without me trying to, solve the problem for them. So you can't always solve the problem, and you shouldn't be upset if you don't have the answer. Listen, listen, listen. And then you can always say to them, I'm glad you shared that with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.